What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete old Windows updates on your PC to free up space and keep your system running smoothly. First, you need to access the File Explorer. You can do this quickly by searching for File Explorer in your Start menu search and pressing Enter. Once the File Explorer is open, navigate to This PC to see all your available drives. The next step is to locate the drive where your Windows operating system is installed. For most people, this will be the C drive, but it can vary depending on how your system is set up. Double-click on your Windows drive to open it. Within the drive, scroll down to find the Windows folder. Double-click to enter it. Inside the Windows folder, look for another folder named Software Distribution. This is where Windows stores the update files before they are installed. Open it and navigate to the Downloads folder. Here, you will find all the update files that Windows has downloaded over time. You can safely delete all the files within the download folder to clear up space. These are just temporary files that Windows uses to install new updates, and once the updates are installed, these files are no longer needed. To delete them, simply select all the files in the folder, right-click and choose Delete. After deleting these files, it's good practice to empty your recycle bin to free up the space on your hard drive completely. Navigate to your recycle bin and permanently clear up any files there as well. And that's it. You've successfully cleared old Windows updates from your PC. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.